Fabulous example, direct in from the last owner. It is absolutely beautiful all the way around. A platinum grey metallic Citroen C3 Flair PureTech. 1.2 engine, 110 brake horsepower. What a gorgeous example. Just 12,000 miles, full service history. The car is absolutely stunning all the way around, as you'll see when I take you all the way around. Registered in 2019 on a 19 plate. Totally unmarked all the way around. Very spacious little car. Got rear parking sensors, reverse camera. Actually a massive boot on it for the size of the car. Nice deep boot, lots of space in there, split folding rear seats. Full size spare wheel. You've got rear privacy glass. Got the black wheel arch mouldings extension. All the wheels absolutely perfect. No damage on these, not being curbed or scraped anywhere. Plenty of tread on the tyres. All done the bodywork, absolutely beautiful. And you can see the black mouldings stop any little dings or down the sides. 16-inch tyres, all matching Michelin tyres. All across the front, beautifully clean. No nasty chips or scrapes anywhere, and across the front there's hardly any stone chips whatsoever. It really is incredible condition all the way around. Hence we do the videos to show you full transparency, nothing to hide, full close-ups, and this is why other dealers won't show you the videos of their stock. So those little things down the side of the car are called air bumps actually, according to Citroen, to stop other people dinging your car. The final wheel, as you can see, this is how the car came in. We've not refurbished any of the wheels, so it tells you how well the car has been looked after and cherished. Lots of space in there, split folding rear seats. It's almost like brand new in there. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells, all the headlining, everything in great condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors, lane assist, multifunction steering wheel, and again just look at the upholstery. All totally unmarked, absolutely beautiful inside. And according to Citroen, combined miles per gallon is 51.4. Incredible miles per gallon. There's a mileage, just 12,859. That's what it's done, 12,859, 2019 car. Just a 2-owner car. Got various stereo controls. Menu on the dashboard. Bluetooth phone connection. Cruise control, speed limiter. Nice touchscreen, clear. All the nice views there, all nice and easy to navigate through. As I mentioned, this and also has the reverse camera as well. USB input, 6-speed manual gearbox. What a gorgeous little car. Of course, we have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, part exchange always a pleasure. Check out our great finance offers on our website with low deposit, low monthly payments. Apply direct off the website. It is so quick and so easy. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off the website. Click and reserve and collect from our showrooms at Stoke on Trent. Remember our full money back guarantee. If you reserve it and the car is not as described, full refund, no questions asked. But at least you know you've reserved this beautiful car. We can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for full and further details. Specialist Cars, making buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Read about our raving fans reviews. You understand why customers come back to us time and time again. As I mentioned, this is why I do the videos. Nothing to hide, full transparency. Just great, high-quality cars. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. Our phone number again, 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.